you guys, this is me Simran Khairnar back again with you all today. So right now I'm using Incolor primer just to prime up my skin, and previously I prepped my skin, all the skincare was done. So next up we are going up with the corrector. This is the LA Girl corrector, orange corrector I'm using on the corrective areas that I need to cover, and I'm just applying a bit. Always remember, less is more. I'm just going to apply that and blend it out well, and then over that I'm going to just add the correcting concealer to correct the areas where we applied the orange corrector, and then we are going to blend it with the beauty blender very well, so that it all sets into the skin. Make sure that you leave a little bit gap between each product. Now I'm going up with the PAC HD foundations. These are the foundations I love the most. So these are in the shades 1.5 and 3.5. I mix, and then I just applied in the dab motion on my face, and then I blend it out with a beauty blender. Trust me you guys, this is an amazing foundation if you're planning on to attending any wedding, or if you're a professional makeup artist, it's the best. So this is the PAC translucent powder I'm going up next with. Trust me, this is an amazing coverage powder. This really helps your products to set in well. Also, you might see a little bit of light difference here. I don't know what was up with the camera and the lighting here, but it is making my under eyes look a little dark, but it is not that way. And in the video you'll be seeing like natural creasing and wrinkles and fine lines. That's pretty natural. You don't need to worry about that as well in your makeup. Next up I'm going with the contouring. It's the powder contouring. I have used a brown eyeshadow from Revolution's palette. You can use any brown powder shade you have, and just blending it out really well, blending those sharpening areas, and I'm sharpening my jawline too, as you can see, and I love this part so much. Next up we have blush. I love going in upward direction. It just gives me a lifted and a sculpted look, and that's how I like to keep my blush whenever I'm doing a heavy coverage foundation. And as you can see, I'm just blending it out really well, and this is the highlighting part. I've used the Primark's bronze highlights. I'm going to link everything in the description below. Next up is the Wet n Wild lip pencil. This is my go-to lip pencil, and this lip shade as well. If I'm not doing any other makeup, these two have to be in my ritual. I love using these two products. Another layer of that, and that's how it looks like. I love this combination so much. I'm just adding a little bit of more shadow to it with the same lip liner. It's just like it gives you more depth to your lips. That's how I like to keep it, and it gives me an amazing result. So almost the look is complete, and there you go. That's the final result. I hope you've watched the eye makeup look, and I hope you like this one too. Do let me know in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.